Hey there outdoor lovers! Check out the S'more folding picnic table, a portable camping table made from natural beechwood that adds a warm, stylish touch to your picnic setup. Its unique X-shaped frame design provides excellent stability with a triangular structure that supports up to 30 kilograms. The table is compact and easy to assemble with a rolling desktop and modular frame, snapping into place quickly thanks to elastic bands. Measuring 60 by 45 by 36 centimeters when open, it folds down neatly to 67 by 25 by 12 centimeters and fits in the included carry bag for easy transport. Perfect for picnics, camping, beach trips, barbecues, and backyard parties. It serves as a versatile surface for food, drinks, and games. S'more is a trusted Japanese outdoor brand known for quality and practical camping gear. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to outdoor adventures, this table offers style and convenience wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.